Hey guys, thanks for dropping by Design by Kathy today. Do you know how when you get something in your craw and you just can't get past it until you get it to work like you want it to? Well, anyway, we're going to do yet again another strainer pour and trying something a little different, a different additive, a different technique, still with the little strainer. Anyway, hope you'll like the results. I was pretty pleased. Hey guys, thanks for watching, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. So let's take a look. So in this video, I am repurposing a 12 by 12 canvas that I had previously painted on. And I'm going to use the strainer once again, still trying to get a specific look. I'm using a green, a turquoise, and purple on this canvas, and I'm alternating the colors and creating a dirty mixed pour to pour through the strainer. Also with this project, I am using Floetrol as my additive. In the previous video, I did use my Liquitex, and I found that it flowed too much and I lost my pattern. So here we go. Let's give this one a shot. I'm not going to be spinning this one. We're just going to pour and see what happens. I did do my very best to level my table. I had a little level app on my phone, and I got it within a 0.2%, which I feel like I can do better, but that was just all I had to level the table with at the time. So, you know, you do what you gotta do. But as you can see, it's starting to create this wonderful pattern that I've been trying to achieve using the strainer pour. I still had more paint in my cups, and I decided to layer a little more, to add a little more in order to go on and push the pattern out a little further, which may or may not have been necessary, but ended up with a good result, as you'll see at the end. But you can see the paint is still continuing to move on its own, which looks pretty cool in fast motion if you wanted to fast motion through that. But anyway, it was pretty cool. Just going to continue to add the colors, and you can see that my pattern is just looking really cool right now. This is the pattern that, in my opinion, you want to get when you use the strainer. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of the purple to the edges, just to kind of butt up against the pattern and hopefully keep most of it or a lot of it on the canvas. And to go ahead and cover the, want to be able to cover the entire canvas, but I want to keep the pattern on the canvas. Just taking a little sponge brush and kind of helping that start to move towards the edges and get the edges completely covered, or the corners. So now some of my pattern, or the first part of it, has begun to run, over the edges, which creates a really pretty look on your edges. But it is flow art, and it will continue to flow some. So I have all the edges covered, and we're going to take the strainer off very carefully. You don't want to get big drips and blobs all over the rest of your piece. And this paint is still moving, so what you hope now is that it doesn't move to the point of distortion of the pattern. But I hope you'll watch till the end to see what it finally did. It moved a lot, but it created exactly what I've been going for. So I want to try more of this, but I was pretty happy with how it came out in the end. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this, and I hope you got a little something out of it, and you give it a try. Thank you guys for subscribing, and your comments and likes and shares.